Hi guys, welcome to my page. Welcome to homemade cooking underscore shady. What are we cooking today? We are cooking plantain fried rice. You start that cooking, and this is a vegetable oil with butter. So we are mixing them all together. So we allow it to melt, and we slice our onions. Yes. So please guys, if you're just joining my page, please subscribe. So let's add our curry. Yes, and we stir it before we add our thyme. Please guys, comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. So we're adding our washed rice. We stir all together. We put a Maggi cube, so I use chicken cube for it. Yes, please comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comments are trying to keep me going. So I'm adding the cube, so a bit of salt. We allow it to stir all together. Then I'm going to use stock. Yes, I'm going to use stock here. So I'm stirring them all together. Please, you can check my others videos. Yes, please guys, let's keep good together. So let's add our stock and a bit of water. Then we cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes. And after that, we fried our veggies. Yes. So I'm using pepper. I use bell pepper. I use onion. Yes, and I use plantain. So we fry all together in one. Yes. Wow, I love plantain. Yes. So when you're in your kitchen, you just have to be creative. You add 1+1 together to give you one. Yes. You just have to be creative. So creativity is all about kitchen and eating healthy. So our full fried rice is ready. So we add it to our fried pepper with plantain. Yes, I love this. This smell actually so good. Wow, smells so good. Yes, I love this. So let's start our rice to the fried pepper and plantain. Yes. Yes, I love this. I love this. I love this. You can have this in the morning, in the afternoon, and also you can have it in the morning, in the afternoon, or at night. Yes, depending on your appetite on how you feel like having it. Yes, so we can watch this to the end. Our plantain fried rice is ready. Thank you guys for watching. I love you. Stay tuned for my next video. Yes, bye.